if you've ever tried grinding meat by hand or using like a really weak machine, this is a huge upgrade. And this is an electric meat grinder that was sent to us to try out and share with you, but it also works as a sausage stuffer and a kebab maker. I don't know if I said that right, and I'm sorry if I'm butchering it, but this grinds meat super fast, no struggling, no clogging, nothing. It handles different types of meat like beef, chicken, pork, and even venison. So it can handle the like legginess of a venison, right? They're very tough, right? So, and it's versatile. You're not just stuck making one thing. It has a really strong motor that can handle bulk meat. I've got some chicken here. I'm just gonna show you how it works. You can grind meat, you can make sausages, or prep stuff like burgers and meatballs, whatever. And it comes with different grinding plates. We have the medium in here now. We've also got a fine and a little bit more thicker, just for coarse meat. You've also got the sausage maker and the kebab maker. This is to push the meat down in, and they sent this so you can clean it all out when you're done. The blades and the plates are made from food grade stainless steel for durability. It has overload protection, so it shuts off so it doesn't start to overheat. It also has a reverse function, so if you need to kind of back something up and bring it back if it gets clogged or whatever. So all you do is load the meat, press a button. Easy as that. Not even a minute it took us to do a whole pound of ground chicken. The parts come apart super easily. You just unscrew it, clean it out, put it back together. It's great for meal prep, making sausages, processing meat in bulk, right? Because it goes so fast. I'm just gonna throw all the rest of this in here. It's fun and it's simple to use, and you can pick this up right now in our Amazon storefront.